Hello, welcome students to class 11. I am Shandip Datta, your teacher of English. The abbreviation of my name is SD. You will find my name in your routine. So today I have taken this opportunity to give you a primary introduction of what we are going to do in class 11. Previously, I used to take an introductory class so that you can get the better understanding of how to go about your study. But this year things are different. Online class is going on, and you know that we met your parents in our school, and the meeting took place in a very cordial ambience. And there not only I but all my colleagues and I told your parents how we are planning to go about our business. But your parents must have conveyed what transpired between them and we in that meeting. But today, before taking the class, I would like to make a few things very clear for you. Now in class 11, you are going to be introduced to English literature for the first time. If I can ask you what you did in class 10, you can ask yourself, I repeat, that you have done grammar, a bit of writing practice like letter writing, story writing, etc., paragraph writing, notice writing, and these things. And in other part, you have been given to answer questions from a passage which is unfamiliar to you, and there you are not supposed to understand each and every word which are found in the passage, but still you made the guesswork and answered. So this was the unseen portion. And in the seen portion, this seen portion was there just to make you familiar with reading. You have read a book, and some passages were given from the book, and some questions were there under the passage, and you were asked to answer these questions. So this is all what you have done in your Madhyamik level. Now things are quite different in HS level, because in HS level no such passage would be given from your text, or rather textbook. You have to read well, as you do in Bengali. You have to read well the entire book, and you have to write answer to the questions on the basis of the memory of what we have read in the textbook. So what is required? Thorough reading of the book. You have to read each and every word thoroughly. Secondly, you have to do grammar. Here I can mention for your benefit that there is no specific syllabus for grammar in HS level, but you have one advantage, that all the grammar questions will be set from the text which are prescribed for you. So if you read the text well, you can do the grammar also, because there is nothing new. You don't have to learn anything new about the grammatical skill. So here you have an advantage. Just go through the text carefully. Next, you have to understand English, because English class would be taken by me in English. There will be no Bengali. I will upload video tutorials for your benefit, for your convenience. You will see the video repeatedly. You can pause, restart, pause, restart. You can do whatever you like to understand the video. Initially, you will find it a bit tough, but as the time goes, you will be quite familiar with it, because as soon as you will go for higher studies, you have no option but to read everything in English. So the groundwork must be done at HS level. And I upload the videos just to make sure that you can have the opportunity of watching those videos repeatedly at home whenever you like. If you find anything unfamiliar, if you find any word which is unfamiliar to you, you have the smartphone with you, you can Google the meaning of the word either in English or in Bengali, you can have the answer. But you have to develop, you have to hone, you have to sharpen your ear, you have to sharpen your ears to make sure that you can understand English when it is spoken in standard Indian accent. Because if you don't get used to being spoken to in English, then you cannot speak English. So if you cannot understand what's spoken to you, how can you answer the question in English? So in order to learn English, you must learn listening. Listening plays an important part in learning English. Therefore, I will give an opportunity to you of learning or of developing your listening power in my class. And secondly, if you don't understand, after making strenuous effort to understand English, if you don't understand any particular part, feel free to ask me either by phone or on WhatsApp, whatever you like, even after the class, no problem. So in class 11 you will be introduced to English literature, Wordsworth, then Robert Browning, then William Blake, etc., Ruskin Bond. So many writers will come to read in class 11. In class 11 you have to write paragraph, you have to learn how to write advertisement, you have to learn how to write commercial leaflet. Everything would be covered, don't worry. What you can do is to make sure you attend each and every class regularly, and you must make sure that you can listen to each and every word I speak in the video carefully, because I can speak faster, but I have deliberately spoken in a slower pace just to make sure that you can understand each and every word I have spoken on these videos. So get ready, we will be meeting you probably next week as per the routine which will be available to you, and maybe it is available to you, I am not sure. So as per the routine I will be taking my class and you will attend my classes, and if you feel any difficulty in understand each and every word, even the slightest thing, feel free to contact me, feel free to ask me, I will explain it to you. But initially you have to make the first effort, you have to try first. Without making an effort, don't ask me anything, because teaching is a two-way traffic. If I try my best to make sure you can understand everything, you have to try yourself to understand whatever I speak to you. If you fail in that effort, if you make numerous efforts and even then you cannot understand anything, feel free to ask me. Okay, so this is an introductory video which I have uploaded for you, and we will be meeting you very shortly. Till then, goodbye.